If you are wondering how to open your blocked fallopian tube, then this video is for you. You are about to discover my easy 3-step method for clearing the tubal blockage. Before I get into the 3-step method, I want you to realize these facts. Look, your fallopian tubes are blocked because of abdominal adhesion and scar tissue. Your problem may turn serious when infection and inflammation grows. Realize this. No medicines can control inflammation nor dissolve the scar tissue. They slowly spread and affect nearby organs, including the ovaries. This may result in irreversible infertility and other life-threatening diseases. The only way you can deal with this problem is by addressing the root cause of your tubal blockage. Here is the good news. My 3-step method works because it is addressing the root cause of the tubal blockage. It works even if you failed earlier with conventional treatments. You may have doubt, but once you understand what is causing and why it is causing, you start believing. Now let us dive into my 3-step method. Step 1. Break down the scar tissue with enzyme therapy. Many women who are new to this problem don't even realize that the scar tissue is creating blocks in the fallopian tubes. And that is why a lot of women who try conventional method fail. They are failing because they never realize that the root cause of blockages in fallopian tubes is the scar tissue. Anyway, the real culprit is the growth of scar tissue. It has been proven that certain plant-based enzymes and certain antioxidants are proven to aid the body in breaking down the scar tissue. So, what you need to take is a blend of systemic enzymes. These enzymes help you control and break down your scar tissue. And that is how your fallopian tubes blockages will be cleared. Apart from breaking down your scar tissue, you must also reduce the infection and inflammation. And therefore, let us deal with this in step 2. Step 2. Reduce infection and inflammation with herbal therapy. Reducing infection and inflammation is essential to open the blockage of your fallopian tubes. Infection and inflammation causes swelling of reproductive organs and interfere with endometrial growth. The root cause of this problem is excess estrogen levels in your body. So it is obvious. Reducing your estrogen levels is the key. Did you know? Herbal supplements like golden seal, Jamaican dogwood, ginger, cranberry bark, etc. are known to reduce inflammation. Here are some of the benefits of these herbal supplements. Reduce discomfort and swelling. Remove excess estrogen. Strengthen liver functioning. Improve estrogen metabolism. Supports normal endometrial growth. In view of the above facts, you must consider taking these herbal supplements to unblock your tubal blockage. So far, we have discussed how to break down the scar tissue and reduce inflammation of the reproductive organs. The third and final step is the oxygenation of reproductive organs. Step 3. increase oxygenation and blood circulation with self-fertility massage. Reducing the scar tissue and inflammation can open up blockages in fallopian tubes. However, the self-fertility massage must be part of this therapy because it enhances the overall health of your eggs, fallopian tubes and uterus. And that is why you must start practicing self-fertility massage to improve your fertility. Combining these three natural therapies ensure clearing your tubal blockage that is not possible with conventional methods. So remember, you just learned how to open fallopian tubes blockage, and that means you can now follow my 3-step method and get pregnant naturally. Want to get pregnant with a blocked fallopian tube? Perhaps you have been trying to conceive unsuccessfully for more than 2 years. Look, it is very difficult to conceive when your fallopian tubes are blocked with mucus and scar tissue. So, the focus of your treatment should be on clearing the mucus and scar tissue. Then only you can be successful with your pregnancy. Remember, the only way you can clear mucus and scar tissue is by doing 3 things. 1. Breaking down the mucus and scar tissue with enzyme therapy. 2. Reducing inflammation and infection with herbal therapy. 3. Increasing oxygenation and blood supply with self-fertility massage. Just imagine what it will be like when you can clear tubal blockage naturally without surgical interventions. How much better the chance of getting pregnancy enhances naturally? I know. You may be thinking that how you can follow these 3 steps and put this into practice. No doubt. The 3-step system to clear blockages in your fallopian tubes is a very powerful natural technique. Even though the solution is simple, many women mess up and couldn't put this into practice because they need a fertility kit that includes all the 3 steps. It is in this context the Fallopian Wise Fertility Kit comes handy. The Fallopian Wise Fertility Kit is a complete kit and contains special blend of plant-based enzymes that can break down your scar tissue. Herbal blend contains 17 fertility-focused therapeutic herbs that control inflammation and infection, that support normal reproductive and fallopian tube health. Self-fertility massage DVD to help teach women how to apply simple and gentle massage techniques to themselves on a daily basis. To improve oxygenation and blood supply to the fallopian tubes and improve overall ovarian and uterus health. So, using the Fallopian Wise Fertility Kit, you can put my 3-step system into practice easily from today onwards. Click the link given in the description to know more about the Fertility Wise Fertility Kit and how to clear your tubal blockage and get pregnancy naturally.